this video, I am going to demonstrate arthroscopic inside-out medial meniscus repair. Medial meniscus tears are fairly common along with concomitant ACL tears, and one should always be mindful of it. Here, while doing an ACL reconstruction, on doing the diagnostic round, we see here the meniscus is torn from the periphery, as by hooking the probe it is easily coming into the joint. The lateral meniscus is absolutely fine and there is no tear. So, we proceed for the repair of the medial meniscus. The first step is to ensure enough space in the compartment so as to pass our instruments. So, a pie crusting of the MCL is an essential step to avoid scuffing of the cartilage. Here we can see the space has increased after pie crusting, and we can now easily visualize the tear and perform our further steps. Preparation and freshening of the margins are crucial for healing of a repair. Here we use a meniscus rasp which has a rough tip to achieve the same, first on the under surface and then on the over surface. This rasping is followed by shaving the meniscus edges to again freshen it without suction, so as to not further increase the tear and only increase the blood supply available around the tear. For an inside out repair, we use a special needle along with the cannula provided with the needle to pass non-absorbable sutures from inside the joint to outside through the meniscus, which are later on tied over the capsule so as to fix the repair. After deciding the area of repair, we take the first bite through the capsule, and once the suture is passed, another bite is taken through the body of the meniscus, and once we tighten this suture, we can see the meniscus nicely reducing in place. Similarly, the next pass is made in front of the previous pass on the upper surface of the meniscus. One can see here, on tightening the upper sutures, the meniscus gets everted. So, to balance the forces, similar passes are to be taken on the inferior surface also. So, the first bite is taken through the capsule and the second pass is taken through the body of the meniscus, which is on the under surface this time. After similar passes in front of the previous repair site, one can see the meniscus is nicely coming down now, and the eversion is now transformed into peripheral compression of the meniscus, which is very important for healing of the tear. This is the final picture of the repaired meniscus. One can see it is nicely seated back in place along with the reconstructed ACL, which is done after the repair. Thank you for watching the video.